Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Skin is prepped, so I'm just gonna go right in with this Heritage Store Rose Water and Glycerin Hydrating Facial Mist. I spray this all over my beauty blender just to give it some moisture. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Photofocus Matte Foundation in the shade Soft Beige. This is one of my favorite foundations. It's incredibly affordable. I think it's great quality, great coverage. The matte is not too drying where it dries out my skin, but it's matte enough where I don't have to use a powder. Then I'm going to use this same foundation to cover my under eyes and my eyelids. Now this might ruffle some feathers in the beauty community, but I don't actually use a separate concealer. I just use my foundation. It does the job. Sorry, not sorry. We work it out. Next, I'm going in with this e.l.f. Cosmetics Wow Brow Brow Gel in the shade Brunette. My eyebrows don't really need much, but I just like to fill them in a little bit. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Glossier Cream Blush. I have mentioned this several times on my channel before, and I'm gonna mention it several times more. This is a phenomenal cream blush if I ever done seen one. It has great coverage. It lasts so long. I mean, that little thing, it goes such a long way. I just love the color. I think it's so pretty. I love using cream products because I have naturally dry skin. So this is a staple. Next, I'm going in with this Super Shock highlighter from ColourPop Cosmetics in the shade Lunch Money. This has been another staple product of mine. ColourPop Cosmetics is one of my favorite makeup brands. I think they're one of the best brands out there. They're incredibly affordable. They have great quality, especially for the price that you're paying. Also from ColourPop Cosmetics, ColourPop, if you're watching, please sponsor me. I'm going in with this Super Shock shadow in the shade Birthday Cake. I believe it's limited edition, so you most likely won't be able to find this anymore. This is just such a fun, very princess fairy glittery shade. Their Super Shock shadows are some of my favorite makeup products. They're very affordable, great quality. They come in so many different colors, and it's just a very easy, if you want to throw something on your eyelids product, such a go-to, would highly recommend. Next, I'm going in with this NYX Cosmetics Epic Wear Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Lilac. If you know me or you've followed me on social media long enough, you know that I love to get funky with colors, and I love to add a pop of color when it comes to my eyeliner and eyeshadow. Colored eyeliner is a great way to just add a pop of color and some vibrancy to a makeup look. NYX Cosmetics, I think, has great quality eyeliners at an affordable price. I'm going to bring them up again, ColourPop Cosmetics as well. They have such a big variety of different color eyeliners, eyeshadows, and mascaras. Then I'm just going to go back into that Super Shock highlighter and highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. And I like to bring the highlighter a little bit higher on my eyelid just because I think it really opens my eyes up and accentuates my eye shape. Next step, I'm going to go in with this Kylie Cosmetics bronze eyeshadow palette. Because I didn't use concealer, I really just want to powder the under eye a little bit to highlight it and make it look a little cleaner. So I go in with the shade Jasper. We made it to my absolute favorite step. I'm so excited to be here. I'm going in with the ColourPop Cosmetics Face Stamp. This is also a limited edition, I believe. It was for Valentine's Day a couple of years ago. It's pink and heart-shaped. I just wanted to try something new, get a little funky, and put this underneath both of my eyes. I'm gonna go back in with that setting spray now and set all this beautiful art in. To finish off the eyes, I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I like to start off with the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Base White Primer just to prime my eyelashes so that the color that I put on top pops out a little bit more. Then I go in on top with the Hendayan Beauty Mascara in the number 8. As you can see, I sprayed before I put mascara on. This is just a personal preference. I feel like when I spray after mascara, it starts to run a little bit more. So I typically spray first and then I'll finish off the eyes with mascara and then lips. We are finally here at the last step of this makeup routine. Woohoo! Going in with lips, I'm using the ColourPop Cosmetics Satin Lip in the shade Femme. I don't know if this is still available on their website. All I know is that this has been a favorite of mine for the past, I want to say 5 years. It is just such a pretty purple. I also love their satin lip formulas. The mattes are too drying for me, but the satins give a matte feel without feeling dry. It's great quality, great coverage. It lasts so well throughout the day. And just look how gorgeous this color is. I pop this out when I just want to get a little creative, get a little funky, and have a little fun. All right, guys, this is the final look. I'm so obsessed with this. It's one of my new favorites. I hope you guys enjoy. I love you all and I love us. See you soon.